Hello guys, welcome back to a video. So today I have some unboxing stuff. So here's this that I got. There's nothing really to unbox about it. It's just a little coloring book. So yeah. And then I got these stickers of How to Train Your Dragon, which is pretty cool. So oh, and then I'm not gonna unbox these just yet because they're cotton balls. Yeah, so let's get started. Let's start with these. So I bought these little like skull things. And yeah, let's open them. Alright. So they're actually pretty cute. Here's the thing, the skull. I think it looks really nice and really good quality actually. So that was really short, but that's it for the skull. And now let's do this one. So this is a Barbie clothing piece. It's a Wonder Woman top. Let me just open this. Ah! Oof, I really hope I don't rip it, like the top. But this packaging though is hard to open. What? Alright, let's gather up all the trash. I'll put the trash right here. But here's the top. And it's like a tank top. Really cute. I really do like the colors and the design, how it's just kind of like the basic Wonder Woman symbol. And if you can see, I like the little bow type thing right there. So that's really awesome. Hold on, let me just grab this bag. So we're gonna put this over back in our pile. And if you guys could just give me a second while I put all the trash in here, because I'm not a barbarian who leaves trash all over the floor. And since while we're on the Barbie topic, let's do this Barbie dog. Sorry you can't see my face right now. I think you can see a little bit of it. Hi. But yeah, let's open this. What's wrong with these packagings? This might be a process if I can't just rip it. And I just ripped it. So that's good. Let's put the trash in the bag. There's nothing really interesting for the boxing. It's just same thing as the Wonder Woman shirt packaging, except for this white stuff. But here it is. Let me take out the dog so you guys can get a closer look at it. Here's a dog. I think it's really cute. I think its head should move. So it looks like the head should move, but it doesn't really move, but that's fine. That's okay. And here's the stuff that it comes with. The stuff that it comes with, if I can get it out. It comes with a little dog bowl, a purple dog bowl. Can y'all see that? Y'all can see there's like a Barbie logo on it. Here. See? There's that. So that's really cute. It comes with more stuff. It comes with, I think this is like a collar or like a bandana type collar, you know, those cute little things. So there's that. I'll put it on the dog and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's actually really cute. I really like that. And then, it comes with this little like bone, I'm guessing it is. Yeah, it's kind of like a bone. Maybe it's like a chew bone or like a treat. But there's that, which is, really cute. Let me just grab this last thing. I don't know what it is. What is this? Does it go in his mouth? Oh, it's like a frisbee. took me a while to figure out what it is because it has this little thing, and I was like, does it go in its mouth? And it does. It's like a little frisbee that it can pretend to catch in its mouth. So I'll show you all the overview of what it looks like. Right, come here, y'all. Hi. So here's what it looks like. Just, yeah, I put the bone in there in the dog bowl. And that's the dog with the bandana type thing and the frisbee, which is actually really cute. All right, and we're not done yet, y'all. This is really exciting. We still have 3 more items, so let's go with something pretty basic. Just this incredibly adorable Littlest Pet Shop that I found at the dollar store, believe it or not. My dollar store here is extremely amazing. They're starting to sell Barbie products, like the ones you just saw, and My Little Pony stuff and Littlest Pet Shop stuff. And I think it's really cute. Oh, here's the packaging. Just says Littlest Pet Shop on it, and it has some characters. Same thing with the back, just a lot more characters. And then here is the tiny little bean, whose head actually moves. Here it is. Ah! Alright, so as you can see, the head can move, which I think that's really, really cute. Leave comments on what I should name her. Kind of want to name her Buttercup. She kind of looks like a piece of butter. Like, if you look at it in real life and not through a screen, it actually looks very similar to like a chunk of butter. So here is where I decided to put her with the doggo. So that's really cute. I got a lot of animal related stuff, you know, because I got dragons, those are animals. I got the dog and the Littlest Pet Shop, and I got another Littlest Pet Shop thing, you know, this. And we're not done with the animal topic. So I think let's go ahead and do the Lost Kitties. These are itty bitty, so I'm guessing they might be like the size of this Littlest Pet Shop, maybe the size of the dog. I don't know. Let's just open it if I can, because it has one of those types of like weird things you get when you buy new movies. But I'm actually opening it, so here we go. So right when you open it, the top comes off. Oh gosh. Alright. Let's take a quick look at the checklist. I've never had an itty bitty Lost Kitty before. But anyway, let's take a look. They have home bodies. Oh, these are really cute. Here, I don't want to be selfish. Here's all the ones you can get. I kind of want this one. You see, it says Snuggles at the bottom. I kind of want that one. Here's what it looks like. Here's this. Now let's see if I can figure out how to fold this, because I do not know how, apparently. Alright, we'll save that for later. I don't want to waste the video. This is already a very long video, and I'm really sorry in advance. That wasn't really advanced, because we're almost done. What is going on? Ah! Ah! Alright, so... Oh! Super cute. It comes with like a meme, but anyway, it comes with this like slime or like Play-Doh type stuff, which is really nice, so let's save that. I think I'll put that back inside of the little... It's like a sippy cup. Kind of, because like it says itty bitties, like they're tiny kittens. Let's look at the list, and I already know which one I got. So let's see where it is. I got Picado, I believe is how you pronounce it. I could be very wrong. Oof. I'll see. I might need scissors for this. I'm gonna need scissors for this. Alright, y'all. You're coming with me because I don't feel like abandoning the video. Alright, let's go. Let's turn on the light. Do you like it? It's a gingerbread house. Alright, so I'm gonna put y'all right. Will you stay? No, you won't. So I'll put y'all right there. Perfect. Alright, so let's open this thing first. That didn't even do anything. I don't really know what's going on. Ah, I got it. So here's this. It says, is caught red-handed. So I think when they meant Picado, they meant like it's a, if you know an artist named that, I can't remember what Picasso, that's it. But you know, it's a cat, so Picado, and you can see it has a little paintbrush. I believe that's the one I got, because it came with the little meme that's like that. And when it meant said like red-handed, it's because it had red paint. But cats don't really have hands. They have paws. Oh my god, she just went yeet. Hold up, I'll be right back. So yeah, she's kind of the size of the Littlest Pet Shop. Kind of like the size of those new small Shopkins. Here is her or he. Which should I name? Oh yeah, it already has a name, Picado. So I'm gonna think, I think it's a boy, because Picasso is a boy. So here it is. I think it's really cute. I'm gonna maneuver back over to the seating area. Alright, and I think I'm gonna put this one, this little bean, right here. Alright, this video has already been 13 minutes long. We only have one more thing, which I'm really excited about. This Hello Neighbor blind capsule thing. I've never had one of these, and I really like Hello Neighbor. I do have the game, for those if you were gonna ask. So let's just see what I get. Oh, I might as well share what I can get. Just a bunch of Hello Neighbor, different types of Hello Neighbors. I can also get a black crow and the guy who tries to get in to the house. He's in a trash can though. Alright, the big reveal. I'll let y'all get the first look. Alright, this is gonna be really messy to open. I'm sorry in advance. Alright. Is it cool? Ah! Oh my gosh! It's so cute! Let's see which one I got. At the one of him being like kind of like surprised, maybe shocked finding that he's in his house. I love it! Alright, let me put away the trash, because I'm not a barbarian. And I guess I'll put everything together. Do we want to do a montage of me attempting to fold a checklist? Do we not? We don't. We don't want to see me struggle. Wait, I think I got it. Wait. Did I get it? supposed to be voted this way now? Now this way. Now this way. It's not perfect, but best I'm gonna do for now. What the freak? Oh, I think it needs to be smaller. A smaller bean. So therefore, we put it. I literally wasted 15 minutes. We're gonna put that in there. I'm sorry in advance. Where's the, thank you. We need this thing. Alright, and I'll gather everything over here that I personally really like, and I'm glad I spent $10, $7? I think $10. I'll put everything over here with that. But before we go, I actually do have one more thing for you. It's not anything unboxing wise, just something I had to buy because, you know, it's almost Halloween and I've seen these before and I really like them. So it's like a little, it's plastic. And no, I won't be drinking wine or any kind of alcoholic beverage out of this. Mostly milk and apple juice. But yeah, I think it's really cute. So I bought that. Okay, and now I left this over here and I'm gonna need that. Wah! Put that over there, and here's an overview of everything. The skulls, here, take one out. Do they stand? They actually do stand up by themselves, and there's a lot of them in here. So here are the skulls, the thing that this came out of, the clay, and the checklist is in there. Hold up, let me put this the right way. The dog with the collar and the frisbee, the bowl and the bone, the Littlest Pet Shop, the Picado cat, the Wonder Woman shirt. I like that. Oh, here's this, by the way. The Hello Neighbor figure. Yes, the Hello Train Your Dragon stickers. You put these on your wall, by the way. My cotton balls. And these, this Littlest Pet Shop coloring book. And then my glass is somewhere over there. But yeah, I bought that and stuff. Technically, I didn't buy this. My mom let me buy this because we went to the dollar store to get this stuff. Yes, the dollar store has stepped up their game with all of this stuff, and I'm really proud of it. She let me get 10 items, but she kind of bought these for me, so it didn't come out of my budget. So yeah, there's that. And then don't mind the perfume. It smells good. And if you're gonna ask what I've been filming on this whole time, it's not that. It's not that. It's that. I put y'all right here. Yeah. So that's it for today. Bye, guys.